Hello, 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 welcome. Welcome to the driveway. Time to do more car things. Oh my. And it is hot and it is sunny, which means I may not last very long out here. I may not. I might have to come back later when things have shaded themselves a bit. Alright, let me have a look here. Hello. Oh, yeah, guess I gotta unlock the car. So, in the front seat here, there is indeed, there's a pet here. I'm not sure I want to move that yet. I think I want to dig into, the back a little bit here. Let's see what's what. Oh, so I have found another thing to put into the other car, which may end up getting moved back into this car. We'll see. We will see. Oh dear. Alright, a while back, I went kind of on a late night adventure to get some stuff. This fellow was giving away, and I'm suspecting I will collaborate with him and do some online things, I think. Now, I'm not sure. I'm just going to come over there, see how I think things are framed here. If I think I'm cutting my head off, I might tweak this a little wee bit. Also, I want to be careful to make sure that I can get things back in the box. Here is the incredible musical keyboard for the Commodore 64. It fits over the keyboard, and then just so the keys touch the keys. I seem to remember when this came out, there was some controversy because some company shortly thereafter came out with something that was just the same, which maybe they didn't spend the research and development money on. Maybe it was a fraud. Oh, here's a box of discs. Oh, no, it isn't. It's from Cursor 15/safe S piano for the Commodore 64. It's a tape. Cursor. Bats. Watchman. Oh, it's a tape. Oh, it's a bug buzzing me. Don't mess with me, bug. One of the reasons I sometimes wear a hat so that I can deal with bugs. What is this? It's Froggy. There's the Cursor tape. You can see that a little better. There's another Cursor tape. It is. And they're nice and neatly stored in this disc box. So they will have to be... Oh, if I could just get them back in. They will have to be explored. They will. Oh my. There's all kinds of good stuff in here. What is this? It's a realistic Radio Shack tape. Froggy 41. Here's something for the Commodore pet. Read to write. On the back here, it's 31 to 40. On the front, it's 21 to 30. Amiga Extras. What is in here? Oh, it's more Amiga discs. I have that, I am sure. Amiga Extras. Amiga Workbench. Lovely. 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 Oh my, there's just so much magical stuff. Here is a cartridge, but I can't read the something. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, here's a cartridge. Jupiter Lander. A beautiful thing. A beautiful, beautiful thing. Oh, here's a cartridge. Sid Symphony stereo cartridge. Look at that. I've heard of this. I have never seen it. Here's a little box. Oh. You may have seen this before. Sid Symphony. In a little wee box. Isn't it beautiful? This box was packed very well. With great care. Here's a little bag. Oh. Here is a Commodore calculator. Warning. Battery. Things. Stuff. I'm hoping there's no battery in here. Oh, shoot. Okay, it's a 9-volt. There's nothing in here. It's very clean. It's very lovely. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I'll put it all back. It's got its little book. Its little manual. Oh. Kind of sacrilege putting it in a Radio Shack bag, but oh well. These things happen. Now here's another mysterious cartridge. The button looks familiar to me, but I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Here is a joystick in the box. Oh, it's a Radio Shack joystick. This Archer. For the Atari 2600, Sears Video Arcade, Atari 400, 800, VIC-20, Commodore 64, NEC. Oh my. Something is happening. Something is happening. Alright, here is a box. Stereo Sid. Oh, okay, this is probably Stereo Sid PD music collection. Maybe it is something to do, yeah, with the Sid Symphony cartridges. So maybe, oh, Jupiter Lander, yeah. Maybe, possibly, I'll put these in the box and look at this other box. See, is there anything? No, there is nothing critical. So I'll put Jupiter Lander in the box. Let's see. Computer Academy, hands-on Commodore 64 beginner's manual. This was the show that Jim Butterfield was involved in. I wonder if there's a picture of it in here. Maybe not. Nope. Just programming things. Oh, okay, the cartridge I found before, that was all kind of funky and covered in stuff that I'm not sure what it was. I think it was this. I think it was. Super Snapshot. I've heard of this. I've never known exactly what it was for. Ah. Computer Eyes Video Acquisition System. Look at that. Complete high-res scan in under 6 seconds. Plugs into the user I/O connector, no additional cabling. Unique multi-scan mode to provide realistic grayscale images. Full software support for users at all levels. Huh. Interesting. I'll have to check. System requirements: Commodore 64 series computer 1541 or compatible disk drive. Interesting. All right. The Voice Master, which speech synthesizer. You can talk to your computer can talk to you in your own voice. Word recognition. Make your computer respond to your spoken words. All right. Here, from Commodore in 1983-84, is their educational software catalog. And here, MOS, microcomputers, programming manual. This has got to be, it is, machine language. Oh, I'm getting hot. So, I think I'm not done yet. I think I will finish what's in the box and take it in. Stop recording. Logo. A language for learning. Commodore. The Advanced Machine Language Book for the Commodore 64. Apple Machine Language. Imagine. Let's see. Another book. Machine Language for Beginners. Hands-on Basic with a Pet. And GEOS Inside and Out. I'm not sure if I made myself clear. I hated GEOS. I still hate it. It just, to me, it took a friendly computer such as the Commodore 64 and turned it into this foreign body. And I'm sure there were lots of people who had a great time with it. But it wasn't me, and it never would be. Okay, now, the trick is to get things back in here. It was a very neatly packed box, and I want to get things in here. Oh, there's a box. And there, while we're here, maybe I'll take this out. It's very simple. Look at that. It's a keyboard. And underneath, it has little prongs that push on the keys. Just so. Is there other stuff in here? There's a box. I don't see a disc for it. Oh well. But it's the incredible musical keyboard. It is. So this box is nicely, pretty much, back in the configuration of which I found it. And I will take it in. And I will explore little by little by little and collaborate with the fellow who I got this stuff from. I shall. Alright, you know what? I picked a bad time of day. I don't do well in the sun, and there's lots of it. There is. I still have in here another box thing that I haven't taken in. It was like a storage container thing. Anyway, this box is going to go in, and then, I've got to get the car cleared out. But I still have some time, so I'll wait for time when it's not so sunny. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, there's another pet in here. I know you can't see me. There's another pet in here. There's a disk drive. I think it's an 8250. And things. And stuff. Alright. That's it. I can't do no more right now. I'm hot. So I think I'll take the box in, find a special place for it, and maybe do some dishes. It's an exciting life I lead. Anyway, thanks for being here. Stay tuned. We'll get this car empty soon. The battery is still charging, by the way, gently. 12 volts, 2 amps. I'm not going to look at it now. I'll look at it later. All right. I gotta go in. So, have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. And I will keep at this. I will keep on keeping on. Bye for now.